To add a background music or soundtrack to your video on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. Tap the album where the video you like to add a soundtrack is in. Tap the video. Next, tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit screen. Tap audio icon at the bottom of the screen. First, you need to mute or remove the original audio. To do so, slide the video volume adjustment bar to the leftmost like this. Next, tap Add next to Soundtrack. Here you can see the list of license-free background music that you can upload everywhere. You can choose the soundtrack that fit with your video vibe, such as funny, happy, long, or relaxing. As a note, you might need to download the audio before you can use it. If you are happy with your selection, tap the back key. By default, the soundtrack volume is set to 100%. If needed, you can lower the soundtrack volume by sliding the soundtrack volume adjustment bar to the left to get a quieter soundtrack volume. Tap Save to save the change. As you can see, the selected background music or soundtrack has been added to your video. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.